got a final soon in Algebra 3-4. But don't you worry guys, I got these problems stored. These application problems could be fun, as they're in every single unit that we've done. Hopefully we pass the final in math. Make sure you do get rest, and you'll do good on test. Just don't be a mess, and we know that you're best.
Where's Tony?
You getting the juice?
It's been a while. Check on him.
Move, Sean. Oh my gosh. Dude, we got a math final tomorrow. We need to study. Where's Tony? Tony!
Guys, I don't know where Tony is.
You want Tony back? Solve these math problems.
I deposited $10K in the bank and the annual rate is 5%. In 10 years, how much money would I have if it's compounded quarterly? A rubber duck company wants to create ducks with a rubber duck making machine. The machine costs $620. The materials needed for one ducky is $40. How much rubber duckies need to be made for the average cost to be $300? How many duckies were made? Wind velocity is modeled by the equation Vp equals 7.2 square root of 1222 minus P, where P is the air pressure in millibars at the eye of the storm. Estimate the air pressure of this eye of the storm when the sustained wind velocity was 45.2. Suppose that the strength in newtons of usual men can be found by F equals 300 ln W plus 5, where W is a man's weight in pounds. Find the strength of a man who is 200 pounds. Round your answer to the nearest tenth of a newton.
Whoa! What do we do?
Save Tony right now.
What do we write with then? It's compounded quarterly! Alright!
The equation for that is P times parentheses 1 plus R over N.
Hurry, we gotta
times
save
N
Tony.
over T, so... Yeah, you got it. Okay, so after this, we simplify 0.05 over 4, so that's... We have 10,000, that's still the same as the principal, and then after that, 0.0125 to the power of 40. So it's approximately 16,436.19.
Hurry, next problem!
Okay, geez, I'm not Eric.
It's the average cost equals the unit cost times number printed plus the cost of the printer all over the number printed.
Oh, wow.
So this is the equation, right?
Yes.
Okay, so we multiply both sides by n to get 300n. So that leaves 40n plus 620. I think we can factor that. 300n can be equal to 20. And so that leaves 2n plus 31.
1600.
Divide both sides by 20. So that leaves 15n, which is equal to 2n plus 31. Subtract 2n from both sides. 13n equals 31. So that means n is approximately...
Hey, give me D! My turn!
What are you doing? Tony's life is on the line.
You're halfway there!
It's a radical equation.
Okay, velocity equals 7.2 square root of 1222 minus P. And then the velocity has to equal 45.2.
45.2. So we have to find p.
Yes.
Okay. Use the calculator and divide this. Come on.
Okay,
go here.
6.28.
Okay, so 6.28. So that leaves square root of 122. Subtract p.
Square both sides.
Oh, okay. What's 6.28 squared? Come on.
It's about 39.44. Go!
39.44 is equal to 122. Subtract p. So then we subtract it from both sides. So what's that? Oh my goodness, it'll make me do everything as always. Negative 1,182.56 is equal to negative p. So basically, it's about 1,182.56.
Let's see if you can solve this problem.
To solve this application problem, we had to use the provided equation, which is 300 natural log of W plus 5 is equal to S, where S represents strength in newtons and W represents weight in pounds. After reading through the application problem, we know that the weight is 200 pounds. So basically, all we have to do is replace W with 200, leaving our equation as 300 natural log of 205 is equal to S. After inputting this into the calculator, we find that strength is approximately 1,596.9 newtons.
I didn't think you guys would be able to solve my problems.
We did all your challenges. Do we get it back?
Fine. Come outside.
Math for the kids. Tony!
Eric?